how to tap your phone to pay with Cash App. Here's how it works. You want to go into your Apple Wallet and then press the plus sign in the top right corner. Now from here, we will choose debit or credit card. And you probably won't have this list, but instead it's going to look like this, and you will just click on continue. So here you can hold your card near your iPhone, and what I'm talking about is the Cash App debit card. You can get a Cash App debit card from within the app. You can just order it, and then right here, like I said, in the wallet, you can hold it near your iPhone and it's gonna get connected. Or what you can also do is enter the card details manually by pressing on the button at the bottom. It's going to ask for the name. You will type the name. You will also type the card number here. You can scan it with your camera. You will click on next in the top right, follow the prompts, and then you will be able to use your phone to pay using Cash App via your Cash App debit card. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.